Okay, so we're back today with Maddie. This has been 2 weeks. We've started teaching her to stay in a little bed so that she's not getting into so much mischief all the time. And we got her some itty tiny little treats. And basically what we're doing is using a click of the pager to keep her down. And we're also working on getting her heeling and downing on the leash, which doesn't look like much, but whew, this little dog, stubborn little thing. Yeah, if she weighed 80 pounds, we'd be in trouble. So I'm just going to heel her up and back one time. And so same thing, I'm starting the pager slightly before I give her the command. And on the down, I'm doing just more of a click of the pager rather than holding it down. Maddie, heel. Good girl. Oh, she's such a good girl. She's such a good girl. Heel. Heel. Good girl. Good girl, you are. Heel. Down. Good. She's such a good girl. No. Down. Heel. Maddie, heel. Heel. Good girl you are. Down. Good. Maddie, heel. Down. Good. Down. No. Down. Good. Good girl. Down. Down. Good. Good girl you are. In your bed. Good. Down. So it's the same thing with the bigger dogs. We really want her to be on her hip. And just getting her down was really extremely difficult. You know, partly because they do believe that that's you being dominant and she didn't want anybody to be the boss of her. Alright, so we'll just take her up and back one more time. Maddie, heel. Maddie. Good girl. Good girl you are. Such a good girl. Such a good girl you are. Maddie, heel. Good. Good girl. Down. Good girl. Down. Down. No. Maddie, heel. Good girl. Good girl. In your bed. Good. Whoops. Down. All right, so 4 weeks till graduation. The pressure's on. See ya.